We have a few Adobe news. We had Adobe Max, which is the yearly conference by Adobe. I haven't watched much of it, but I checked a few things about it, and we have a bit more AI in Photoshop. And what seems like people are very interested in, there is an AI assistant inside of Photoshop. So you can tell Photoshop, hey, can you do this thing for me? And it does it for you. It can also rename your layers. Yeah.
Didn't that come to Figma recently as well?
That was in Figma, yes, but now you have it in Photoshop as well. But there are things about Adobe that are really good, believe it or like it or not. Adobe doesn't just own Photoshop. Adobe owns the whole distribution of essentially ads and content and marketing. So from the creation of it, the moment you take a picture, Adobe owns that pipeline all the way to delivery and even analyzing how your campaign went. And this is it's much less known about Adobe. So if you are doing anything like with serious photography, you have to use Adobe Lightroom. There is nothing even close to Adobe Lightroom. It's that good. And you can do like crazy stuff with it. And now with AI, and I don't mean like this slop generated nano banana AI. With like proper AI, like machine learning in Lightroom, you can do like noise reduction and like light changing and things like this like never before. So these things are really powerful. And then when it comes to distribution, Adobe even owns like CMS. They have a CMS of their own that many companies use, and they have analytics tools and for campaigns, for your ad campaign. So yeah, they own that vertical. And Photoshop and After Effects and these tools are being like a small part of that. And these are being the part that they start like getting people in. You get in because of Photoshop, and then you continue, because of their other tools. And it seems like Affinity is essentially doing the same thing by making it absolutely free for everybody. I can imagine new students just go with Affinity instead of anything else. And that looks very exciting. The point being, like, they have some tools for professionals that there is no other tool that can do the same. That's why they are so popular, but they are also a very greedy company with dark UX everywhere and trying to charge money for everything and not really being they don't have a lot of competition. I wish there was like a better tool than Lightroom, but there is not.
Yeah, for me, nothing can replace After Effects. I've tried Apple
Yeah.
Motion. Like After Effects is just incredible. But
this is part of a larger conversation on my show, Command AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.